Welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today we're going to get the compost heap started again. It's a job I normally do at the start of November to the end of October. The season's changed a bit this year. The last cutting of the grass was literally last week. So December, what can we do? So we've got a mix of fallen leaves and grass clippings. It's a mix of around 1/3 grass clipping and 2/3 leaves. We're going to go into the compost heap. We're going to turn it over, get some air into it, because this time of year it tends to really sag down with all the water, and then we'll cover it back up and it should fire things up for the winter. So let's go ahead and do that now. So just in case you're wondering why I use the grass and the leaves together, simply is the grass provides nitrogen at around 3%, and the leaves are the carbon, so the organic matter. You mix them all in, it just fires that compost heap up. So the leaves will give you no nitrogen, or very, very small, 0.1, and the grass clippings a lot higher. So mix them in together. If you just put grass clippings in a big heap on top of a compost heap, it'll kind of go gooey. So we want to mix it up and then put air into the heap, and that's the winning formula to keep your compost heap going over winter. And as you'll remember, this is quite a new compost heap. It's all flattened down, just need to pump it up. So as you can see how compacted it was, really tough to pull open, but loads of worms in there already, which is a good thing. Right, so that's nicely turned. We'll go and add the layer of the boosting compound, shall we call it. Right, there we go. That should fire things up nicely. That's good for another, well, it's going to start freezing now, so it's good for another at least 3 or 4 months before I need to turn it again. Plenty of air in there, so that'll do its thing. Should get nice and warm. We'll cover it. You can put cardboard over there. Most of the inks they use in cardboard nowadays, it's a vegetable dye, so it's absolutely fine. Just avoid the really shiny cardboard. You don't want to put that on there at all, because there are heavy metals in that ink, so be careful of that. And if you're unsure, always check. So in with a trusty stick. And a makeshift door. And that's it. I'll put a plastic lid on where it's a sheet of plastic that pulls over. I'll link the previous compost video I did to show you how to build this. But doors on, lids on, it'll keep it dry through the worst of the weather, and it'll just do its thing now. It'll just cook nice and slowly over winter, and that's what we want. As always, guys, thanks for watching. My name's Glenn. This is Veggie Patch Ideas. Please take a look around the channel. I'm sure there's something else you're going to love, and we'll keep you going throughout the season on how to get the best out of your vegetable plot.